So you might be having a little issue with your iPhone where there are just random ghost touches and glitches going all over the screen on your specific device. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. The first thing I'd recommend doing is trying to remember if you randomly dropped your phone recently, if you threw it and now the screen is, messing up. If that ended up being the case, then most probably it is a hardware issue and a software issue is not going to fix it. However, if you notice that it's usually within certain times, or maybe like when you reboot your phone, it works fine and then, it randomly starts glitching afterwards, the very first thing I would recommend doing is making sure that you have your phone that has been updated at least for the last, few versions of iOS. So make your way over to your settings application. You want to go and click on general right here. You want to go and click on software update. And all you want to do is make sure your phone is up to date on one of the more recent versions of softwares. If you're on a very outdated version of iOS, that can basically be the reason why you're having issues. So make sure your phone is up to date. As long as it's not a hardware issue, this should end up fixing it. Now, let's say there is no update available. Well, the next thing I'd recommend doing is just rebooting your phone. So hold down the side button up here and the volume up button. If you have an iPhone with a home button, you can just hold the power button, power down your phone, power back on, and you want to see if that ended up fixing it too. Now, if that doesn't end up fixing it, another thing that could possibly cause this issue is if you have some sort of screen protector on your phone, or maybe even a case. So what I would recommend doing is removing your screen protector and removing the case from your phone and wiping down your phone completely. Sometimes, not every time, but sometimes you can have a screen protector on your phone, and sometimes if you take a shower, the moisture can get underneath the screen protector. If you randomly dropped your phone in the water, sometimes the water and moisture can get behind the screen protector, and it can cause some random stutters and some glitches like this without you touching it, and that can be because you have moisture on the display. So go ahead and wipe down the whole entire phone, and that could end up fixing it as well. If that still doesn't work, you may want to make sure you don't have any jailbreaks on your phone or anything like that. Sometimes that can cause some, screen glitches as well. But if that still doesn't work, what I would recommend doing is probably contacting Apple and having them take a look at your phone. Usually they can just inspect your phone for free, and they will let you know whether it's a screen issue or whether it's another issue. Because most of the time, if this still doesn't work, then it may actually be a hardware issue, and you may have to get your screen replaced. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.